Lights, camera, action. If you want to venture into the creative field revolving around these three artistic words, then join BA Film and Television Studies at Chandigarh University. The 3-year full-fledged course in Film and Television Studies will equip you with the aesthetic knowledge, technical skills, and creative thinking needed to excel in the contemporary areas of film and television. The Department of Film and Television Studies offers specialization in direction, cinematography, editing, sound, and acting. Chandigarh University also brings renowned personalities from the entertainment industry to interact with our students and inspire them to follow their passion. What gives CU an edge over other film institutes? Experiential learning through on-job training, movie production assistance, world-class studios and apparatus, multiple advanced editing labs, industrial exposure, training by industry professionals, all-round personality development programs, semester exchange programs for studying abroad. So don't wait further. Give wings to your creative dreams at Chandigarh University. Enroll now at www.cucet.in.